or when we feel na yung asawa mo nagsi-step up na para gumaan yung burden mo as the leader of the home, you automatically become soft. Parang we all desire to be soft. Hindi naman gusto ng mga babaeng maging matigas at maging powerful na kaya ko lahat, kaya ko 'to gawin lahat, hindi ko kailangan ng tulong nino man. We don't desire that. But just because sometimes we feel na parang, wala akong choice, kailangan ko 'tong gawin eh. But if men and husbands would really step up and take away most of those burdens sa wives nila, babalik yung pagiging soft, pagiging gentle, yung the desire to want, yung feeling namin, mga damsel in distress kami, kailangan namin ng superhero na magre-rescue sa'min. And when you are able to make your wife feel that, then you will also feel na mas mag-i-improve yung intimacy niyo. Hindi na siya nagiging matigas kasi ano yung love, parang survival instinct ng babae.